今天带你们感受一下菲律宾的鹦鹉放飞活动。诺娃，你不来吗？那我们走了啊！进来，走。来。走了，好吧。OK, let's go。这是我们出行一趟要带的装备。
猫不想让飞。
Let's go. Okay, if you ask me, this is a pretty good site. Take a look. Wide open. I think on the other side it's a lake. It's a lake that they farm shrimp or clam, something. Not sure. Let's get prepared. I always say GPS is a must. No matter what kind of GPS, as long as it's working, you need one. 诺菲东拜啊！哦，诺菲东拜。OK， 那飞哥，依赖 ，Your turn. Everyone's in position. We're all set now. Just wait for them to fly. Yeah. We have like 20 plus people, probably 50 plus birds. But mostly small birds today, a medium size or small. But it's also good. It's good for Luffy. So join the flight with them.
Wow.
Luffy now is 400, almost 500 meters away from me. Yeah, he's coming back. 300, 200, yeah. Luffy is coming back. Kyle just got his bird back. Let's talk. Where did you get them?
The tower.
Oh, so they already landed.
700 meters.
Okay. They landed on the wires.
Wire.
Okay. Yeah, that's why every time I talk to you guys, you need GPS. Oh,
That's why he cannot fly
okay.
long time.
But I remember this is the one we pull out the feather before, right? He's growing back new feathers already. But not yet that strong. Okay. If you remember, this is the one we used to pull out the feather, the broken feather. And now it's he or she? She already grow out new feather, but not yet fully grown. Yeah, the right side. But they're good. They're good flyers. Oh, I really need a partner. Whenever he flies with someone else's bird, he can fly long and far. Whenever he's flying by his own, it's just, few seconds. No one needs a partner. But I'm still waiting for a proper size female hyacinth. It's not easy. I've been waiting for more than 1 year already. Yeah, this is a pretty good size. And everyone is enjoying, including the birds, of course. See you next time. Yeah, I'm not sure where, but see you next time.